My copy of the Global Fusion Intuitive Tarot deck just arrived in the mail from the distributor. I'm quite excited to see what the finished product looks like. Just about to open the shipping box from the publishers, US Games Systems Inc. You're going to share with me in the reveal as I unbox this. This is my complimentary copy as the artist, and it arrived just a few days after my birthday, so I'm quite happy about that already. And here it is. Already I'm blown away by the quality of the box. The size and the build quality is totally amazing. It's the kind of attention to detail that I was hoping for. On the back of the box, they've included a little write-up, and everything looks really nice. Just so you all know, the staff at US Game Systems is absolutely the best. They were very, very helpful and thorough throughout the whole time of adopting this deck, and it felt really, truly collaborative. The package also came with a brochure and some bookmarks, which are also really cool. On the front, we have a detail from the Emperor card, and on the back, they've chosen to use the Hand of Mysteries from the Five of Sticks. Quite an appropriate choice in my opinion. They've added some nice touches to the packaging, a little cloth pull to remove the booklet and the cards. Very, very thoughtful. And here's the new guidebook, full color. And it's got the same information as the original standalone book, but we've included a little more details here and there, nothing major, maybe a revision or so as well. Quite happy with the formatting. Here's a glimpse of what's inside. And here are the cards, also shrink wrapped. The colors are quite good. It came out really, really well. On the backs of the cards, this is the new geometrical pattern we arrived on, and I'm loving it. If you watched the synchronicity video that I posted, I explained the significance of having something like this on the back to assist in meditation. Really, really good. The printing process on the cards was able to retain just incredible detail in the work. I'm really a stickler for the minutiae in my creative process, and I'm very happy that it was able to be retained in the print. And voila, there you have it, folks. The new Global Fusion Intuitive Tarot and Guidebook, created by myself, Wayne Rodney, and published by US Games Systems Inc. Available fall 2022. Pre-order available now. Link in the description. Please follow my channel. I'm an artist and I'd love to be able to showcase my work and my thoughts to a wider audience. I would appreciate it very much if you subscribe and share with like-minded people. Thank you and happy card reading.